In this video, I'll show you how to fill up the ink tanks of your Epson EcoTank ET-4800. If you never filled them up, the process is the same if you have filled them up, but it's time to refill them, or it's the first time you're doing this process. So the first step is to open this cap by lowering down like this. Each ink bottles will need to refill them in the appropriate ink tank. The first one is black, second one yellow, magenta, and finally cyan. Do not mix them up, because if not, it's very hard to remove the ink that is in the system. So let me start with the cyan over here. Open the cap simply by lifting it up like this. Take your ink bottle. This printer takes the Epson 522 ink. Open the package. Open the cap by unscrewing it. And now we're going to simply turn this bottle upside down. Don't worry, it's not supposed to leak even if you take your time. So I'll go over here, and once I'm aligned with the printer, I'll push down gently on the bottle like this. The process will start automatically. You don't have to squeeze the bottle, you just have to wait and look at the ink tank being filled up. If you see that the process stops while the ink is not on the top, you can simply wiggle the bottle slightly like this. Again, do not push on it, do not shake it. You risk spilling ink everywhere by doing this. The process takes around 35 seconds, 40 seconds, so be patient. It's almost done. Over here you can see the ink level is at its maximum. And I don't hear anything coming out of the bottle. So once you're done, you simply need to take the bottle and let's put the cap over it. You're going to notice that, okay, let's close it tightly. You're going to notice that there's still a bit of ink left in the bottle. One bottle has more ink than what the ink tank can take. So keep this ink bottle in a drawer or maybe in a closet, away from sunlight and away from extreme heat. Because when you're going to run out of ink, you will be able to refill it using the same bottle, since there's still a bit left over here. So the process will be the same for the other ones. Let's close this cap, push on it, and let's do the magenta. Next we have the yellow. And there's no wrong way of placing the bottle. You can place it like this or the other way. It works the same. And finally, the black ink. This bottle, I used it with another printer, so this is why it already started. Once you're done, close this, close the lid, and this is about it. Over here you can see the ink levels, they're all filled up, apart the black one, because the bottle wasn't full to start with. Thanks for watching, I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.